Hello, let's see how you can save some money on right-sizing, and this time with EFS storage classes. It's gonna be easy to understand and also to fix. Let's go. So first, Amazon Elastic File System, or EFS, provides a simple, scalable, and fully managed Elastic NFS file system for AWS compute instances. And so for pricing, the rate you are charged depends on your object's size, how long you store the objects during the month, and also the storage class. And one thing you can do to save money is to set lifecycle policies, which will use EFS lifecycle management to either put your data into EFS infrequent access or archive, so for a lower cost. So let's see EFS storage classes. So you have two options, Amazon EFS infrequent access or IA and EFS archive storage classes, and they both provide cost-optimized options for files that are not accessed frequently. So the first one, EFS standard IA and EFS one-zone IA, offer up to 85% lower storage prices compared to standard prices. So if you look here in storage, standard will be like 30 cents here per GB per month, and for infrequent access, it will be around 20 times less. Second one, EFS archive is designed for long-lived file data, accessed only a few times a year or less, and delivering up to 50% lower storage prices than EFS infrequent access and up to 97% lower than EFS standard. But on the contrary, note that the request charge is here 3 times higher than EFS infrequent access, so it's best suited for archive use cases where instant access is occasionally needed. And so to put your data in either infrequent access or EFS archive, you can use EFS intelligent drawing, which will use lifecycle management to automatically transition files that are not accessed for a specific duration, let's say 30 days, from EFS standard or EFS one zone to their corresponding IA storage class. And if access patterns change, then files are automatically moved back to the original storage class. You can identify the storage classes with AWS Cost Explorer. So in the console, just go to Cost Explorer service, and you can filter by service equals to Elastic File System, and then usage type, you have to search for time storage. You can select all the options here, and then you can also group by usage type here. One other way is also to use directly EFS service. So in the console, just navigate to the EFS service and click on View Detail on a specific file system, and then on Metered Size tab here. So you can review here the percentage of standard, which is 100% here, but also infrequent access and archive storage. To find all of them, you can query as seen now on either the curve or the focus, and you can calculate the standard pricing coverage based on the standard quantity and the total quantity. So how to fix it? It's pretty easy. You just have to enable EFS lifecycle management on your EFS. So just navigate to Amazon EFS, click on Edit on one of your file systems to view lifecycle management. And then you have to set up a transition policy. So choose a policy that specifies after how many days of inactivity, let's say between 1 day or 1 year, files should be automatically moved from standard to infrequent access or archive. So you can see here in this lifecycle management that there will be a transition into infrequent access after 30 days since last access and into archive after 90 days since last access. And so the process is seamless and doesn't require any changes to your application or workflows.